This little silly girl is making a bunch of noises, just sitting over here in her jumper talking to herself. We'll see if we can hear them. I don't want her to see the camera or else she'll get camera shy. Maybe not. Hi. Hello. Are you going to talk? Are you going to sing for the camera? We'll see. She loves to jump. There's one foot. Where's it? There's the other one. Are you all done singing? Okay, goodbye.